Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise chapter 4, that is about practical geometry. Here is an introduction, that is you have learned how to draw triangles in class 7. We require three measurements of sides and angles to draw a unique triangle. Since three measurements were enough to draw a triangle, a natural question arises whether four measurements would be sufficient to draw a unique four-sided closed figure, namely a quadrilateral. Here, if you draw, take a pair of sticks of equal length, say 10 cm. Take a pair of sticks of equal length 8 cm. Hinge them up suitably and get a rectangle of length 10 cm and breadth 8 cm. This rectangle has been created with four available measurements. Now just push along the breadth of the rectangle. Is the new shape obtained? Is still a rectangle. Observe that the rectangle has now become a parallelogram. Have you altered the lengths of the sticks? No. The measurements of sides remain the same. Give another push to the newly obtained shape in different direction. What do you get? You again get a parallelogram which is altogether different, yet the four measurements remain the same. This shows that four measurements of a quadrilateral cannot be determined it uniquely. Can five measurements determine a quadrilateral uniquely? Let us go back to the activity. You have constructed a rectangle with two sticks each of length 10 cm and other two sticks each of length 8 cm. Now introduce another stick of length equal to BD and tie it along BD. If you push the breadth now, does the shape change? No, it cannot, without making the figure open. The introduction of the fifth stick has fixed the rectangle uniquely. That is, there is no other quadrilateral with the given lengths of sides possible now. Thus, you observe that five measurements can determine a quadrilateral uniquely, but will any five measurement of sides and angles be sufficient to draw a unique quadrilateral? Constructing a quadrilateral. We shall learn how to construct a unique quadrilateral given the following measurement. When four sides and one diagonal are given, when two diagonals and three sides are given, when two adjacent sides and three angles are given, when three sides and two included angles are given, when other special properties are known. Let us take up these constructions one by one. When the lengths of four sides and a diagonal are given, how to construct? First, construct pier with the length of 4 cm. Draw an arc here. Here you see, with P as center, draw an arc of 4 cm, and with R as center, draw an arc of 6 cm. Then again, here you see, you can draw an arc here from here with 5.5 cm. You draw an arc, R as center, draw a 5 cm. And this is the quadrilateral. It is a unique quadrilateral because it has five known things 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is one diagonal and four sides. You can measure, you can make many quadrilateral like this. Right? That means to draw a quadrilateral, you have to know five known things so that we can draw quadrilateral. Right? That means five things are needed to draw a quadrilateral uniquely. Now, we will discuss about the various exercises and draw various quadrilateral. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.